Humans today are facing a very serious problem as temperatures continue to rise. Ever since the Industrial Revolution, societies have been filling our planet with greenhouse gases like methane and carbon dioxide. This constant emission of harmful chemicals has resulted in a climate that is steadily getting warmer, and we are already beginning to see the ramifications of a warmer climate. According to NOAA, or the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Association, hotter temperatures will lead to both drier and wetter climates because warmer air has the ability to hold more moisture, so extreme weather like severe droughts and powerful storms will become more commonplace. This summer, the west coast of the United States has experienced a multitude of large wildfires in Southern California, Northern California, Oregon, and Washington. On the flip side, the southeast region of the United States has been ravaged by hurricanes. Hurricane Harvey resulted in massive flooding in Houston, Hurricane Irma hit Florida, and Hurricane Maria devastated Puerto Rico. Just in the United States alone, we've experienced a great deal of extreme weather typical of a warmer climate. Another huge problem Americans are facing is the rising cost of healthcare and the increasing prevalence of diabetes. There has been a sharp rise in people affected by this health complication since 1995, and the future projections look to continue this problematic trend. Throughout the last half-century, heart disease has become more and more common among American residents, and it is still to this day the number one killer of people in the United States. This disease is brought on by poor diet and lack of exercise, and this country's sedentary lifestyle is only worsening the problem. The question then becomes, what can be done to solve these very serious issues?
Well, the answer is actually quite simple. Bicycles, perhaps the most elegant form of transportation created by man, gets people from one place to another without any harmful emissions, and it provides us with a great form of exercise. An increase in biking will kill two birds with one stone, as it will improve the environment and improve the health of residents. But the question becomes, how do we increase bicycling? Well, you need good bike infrastructure. And luckily, Eugene, Oregon has some great examples of proper bicycle infrastructure. This stretch of Alder Street provides bike riders with a safe and comfortable experience because the bike lane is protected by on-street car parking. This simple idea of switching the bike lane with car parking has a profound impact on bicyclists and can encourage more and more people to ride. Another great piece of infrastructure is on the intersection of Alder Street and 18th Avenue. There are two separate traffic lights for both bicyclists and cars so that the two forms of transportation do not intertwine. Both of these small changes can decrease the amount of fatal collisions, increase safety, and encourage more bicycling. They can also help improve the health of the environment and the health of the people. Thank you.